Hello friends, Finland was in news recently regarding the Keliber project. We'll discuss some questions about Finland. Let's start. 1. The Keliber project, recently in the news for being Europe's first integrated lithium project, is located in which country? Answer C. Finland. 2. Finland is often referred to by which of the following nicknames? Answer B. The land of 1,000 lakes. 3. Which international organization did Finland officially join as its 31st member in April 2023? Answer C. NATO. 4. In the 2024 World Happiness Report, Finland was ranked as the world's happiest country for the answer C. 7th consecutive year. 5. What is the official currency used in Finland? Answer B. Euro. 6. Which of the following is an official language of Finland? Answer B. Finnish and Swedish. 7. Who is the current president of Finland, having taken office in March 2024? Answer C. Alexander Stubb. 8. Finland shares its longest international land border with which country? Answer D. Russia. 9. Which Finnish city is known as the Silicon Valley of the North due to its history with Nokia and technology hubs? Answer B. Oulu. 10. Finland's education system is globally renowned for its unique approach. Which of the following is a key feature? Answer C. No formal grading until the teenage years. Thanks for watching.